I've seen all the Mitre Saw reviews and I chose the Makita LS1219L. I got the model with the laser beam because who doesn't want a freaking laser beam on their saw? Picked the model with the 12-inch blade because my new table saw is only 10-inch, and those extra 2 inches have come in handy before. This is actually my second Makita. I first tried out the LS1019 with the smaller blade from Trade Tools, and I thought that would be good enough, but discovered that this model has no laser, and that was mildly infuriating to say the least. And it's not an aftermarket option. No wonder it was so cheap. So I tried to upgrade it with the laser guide version and decided not to cheap out this time and get the 12-inch LS1219L. But you wouldn't believe it, Trade Tools only stock the LS1219. But they helped me out and they took my money to do a special order direct with Makita and price matched Sydney Tools. A week later I followed up and there was a problem. Apparently the LS1219L is exclusive to Sydney Tools only. They said Sydney Tools has it in stock. So I got my money back and went down there to pick it up. But all Sydney Tools had in stock was a display model with 1 million fingerprints.
One simple request, and that is to have sharks with frickin' laser beams attached to their heads.
Ordered a new one, and another week later, followed up and Sydney Tools said, "Oh, it's here waiting for you. Didn't you get the call?" And here we are. I already assembled the stand, and I have to say, the instructions with that really suck. But at least it came with an assembly spanner. Not that I needed one, but my saw stop needed several specific metric spanners and came with none. First impressions, the saw is massive and very heavy. That tool holder for the blade and blade guard, awesome. The blade nut is a reverse thread. That's the standard 60 tooth blade that comes with the saw. I also got a 100 tooth blade for fine work. There's a button on the back of the saw that locks the blade so that you can tighten it. I haven't got room for a Mitre Saw station, so hoping I can make this work. I will probably have to add a wooden fence as well. I was so keen to make the first cut that I forgot to put on the dust bag. This timber is camphor laurel. This timber is called blackbutt, and it's a very hard and durable Australian eucalyptus species. This was really only just an unboxing video, along with my silly story. What I plan to do is make some projects using all the saw's features, and then I'll have a proper opinion. If you like that, click over here to bookmark me with your subscription. And if you want to see more, click down here. It's a video that YouTube recommends for you. Check it out. Upcoming video. Okay, bye.